Good morning, students of class 7. This time is now for mathematics class. Students, today we will learn a new chapter. The chapter name is Congruence. Chapter 16, Congruence. Okay. So, first of all, let's see that in the congruent figures. What is congruent figures? Every figure has a shape, size and a position. Every figure has a shape, size and a position. If we are given two figures, then by simply looking at them carefully, we can decide whether they are of the same shape or not. Suppose two figures are of the same shape. In order to decide whether they are of the same size or not, we cut them and put one over the other. If they cover each other exactly, then clearly they are of the same shape and same size. This method of comparing two figures is known as the method of superposition. Clearly, a figure and its carbon copy are of the same shape and size. Two duplicate copies of the same object made to the same size are figures of the same shape and size. You can see here two coins are there. Only looking, you can see that these two figures are the same shape and same size. Also, given two blades, you can see, only by seeing, you can say that two figures are the same shape and same size. Now, come to the next one, congruent figures. Congruent figures. If two figures have exactly the same shape and size, they are said to be congruent. I am again telling, if two figures have exactly the same shape and size, they are said to be congruent. That means here the two coins are congruent and two blades also the congruent. For congruence, we use the symbol this one. This symbol. That means this one. Okay. This symbol we have to be used for congruence. Clear? Like this. This and then give this. This and then this. Okay. Just carved. Equal sign and upper one is somehow carved. These are all congruent sign. Two plane figures are congruent if each, when superposed on the other over, cover it exactly. Then we can say that these two figures are congruent. Some types of the congruent figures. By superposition, we can easily verify the following results. Number 1, two line segments are congruent if they have the same length. Two line segments are congruent if they have the same length. Look at here, the line segment AB is congruent to the line segment CD if the condition is AB is equal to CD. Next one, number 2. Two angles are congruent if they have the same measure. Two angles are congruent if they have the same measure. That means here angle AOB is congruent to angle CDE if the measure of angle AOB equal to measure of angle CDE. Okay, students. Next one, number 3. Two squares are congruent if they have the same side length. Two squares are the congruent if they have the same side length. Here ABCD is congruent to square EFGH if AB is equal to EF. Right? Come to the next one, number 4. Two rectangles are congruent if they have the same length and same breadth. Two rectangles are congruent if they have the same length and same breadth. So here in the ABCD is the rectangle which is congruent to the rectangle EFGH if AB is equal to EF and AD is equal to EH. Okay. Next, we can read two circles are congruent if they have the same radius. Two circles are congruent if they have the same radius. So if the question comes like that, when we can say that two circles are congruent, then you can write that two circles are said to be congruent if their radius are same. Okay. Next, congruence of triangles. Congruence of triangle. Two triangles are congruent if pairs of corresponding sides and corresponding angles are equal. Two triangles are said to be congruent if pairs of corresponding sides and corresponding angles are equal. You can see here ABCD. ABC is congruent to triangle DEF if AB is equal to DE, BC is equal to EF and CA is equal to FD. Also, angle A is equal to angle D, angle B equal to angle E and angle C equal to angle F. Okay, so this is the condition. Clear, clear students? Okay students, now the main thing we learn today, there are 4 such cases. In each case we have a different combination of the 3 matching pairs. Students, to make congruence of the two triangles we will have to be use just 4 formula. Okay, 4 formulas are there. Out of 4 we have to be use any one to make congruence of the two triangles. The first one, SSS congruence condition. SSS. So I written that first one, two triangles are congruent if the 3 sides of one triangle are respectively equal to the 3 sides of the other triangle. I am telling again, two triangles are congruent if the 3 sides of one triangle are respectively equal to the 3 sides of the other triangle. For the case of here, the experiment, let's see. Draw here triangle ABC with AB is equal to 5 cm, BC is equal to 6.5 cm and CA is equal to 4 cm. Okay. Next, draw another triangle PQR with PQ is equal to 5 cm, QR equal to 6.5 cm and RP is equal to 4 cm. Now make a copy of triangle ABC on a tracing paper and try to make it cover to triangle PQR. with A on P, the point B on point Q, and the point C on point R. Thus, we can say that AB will be equal to PQ, BC will be equal to QR, and CA will be equal to RP. So, you would observe that the two triangles will cover each other exactly. So, that's why you can say that the triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Understand? Next one, the important criteria is SAS Congruence Condition. SAS Congruence Condition. Two triangles are congruent if the two sides and the included angle of one are respectively equal to the two sides and the included angle of the other. I am again telling, two triangles are congruent if the two sides and the included angle of one are respectively equal to the two sides and the included angle of the other. For experiment, let's see. Draw a triangle ABC with AB is equal to 5 cm, BC equal to 6.5 cm, and angle B equal to 60 degree. Also draw another triangle PQR with PQ equal to 5 cm, QR is equal to 6.5 cm, and angle Q equal to 60 degree. Thus we can write AB here is equal to PQ, BC is equal to QR, and angle B is equal to angle Q. Now make a copy of triangle ABC on a tracing paper and try to make it cover triangle PQR with A on P, B on Q, and C on R. So you would observe that the two triangles will cover each other exactly. So that's why triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Okay. Next one, number 3, ASA Congruence Condition. ASA. Two triangles are congruent if the two angles and the included side, two angles and the included side of one are respectively equal to the two angles and the included side of the other. Then we can say that this ASA condition will be fulfilled. For experiment, we will take a triangle ABC with BC equal to 6 semi, angle B equal to 55 degree, and angle C equal to 40 degree. Draw another PQR triangle with QR equal to 6 semi, angle Q equal to 55 degree, and angle R equal to 40 degree. Thus we have BC equal to QR, angle B equal to angle Q, and angle C equal to angle R. Now make a copy of triangle ABC on a tracing paper and try to make it cover triangle PQR with A on P, B on Q, and C on R. You would observe that the two triangles cover each other exactly. So you can say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. So this is the third case. Now the last one is RHS Congruence Condition. RHS. Okay. Two right triangles. In RHS means right angle, hypotenuse, side. R means right angle, H means hypotenuse, S means side. So two right triangles are congruent if the hypotenuse and one side of the first triangle are respectively equal to the hypotenuse and one side of the second one. Okay. For the experiment, we will take triangle ABC with angle B equal to 90 degree, AB equal to 6 cm, and hypotenuse AC equal to 10 cm, and also draw PQR as angle Q equal to 90, PQ equal to 6 semi, and hypotenuse PR equal to 10 semi. Thus in triangle ABC and triangle PQR we can write angle B equal to angle Q, that is 90 degree, AB equal to PQ and hypotenuse AC will be equal to hypotenuse PR. Now make a copy of triangle ABC on a tracing paper and try to make it cover triangle PQR with A on P, B on Q and C on R. So you would observe that the two triangles cover each other exactly. Therefore, the triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Okay. So students, these are the four congruence property that you have to be remember all times for application of the exercise. Okay. One more thing is that you can see here congruence and area. This is very important, congruence and area. It is clear that two congruent figures are equal in area. Two congruent figures are equal in area, but there can be two figures which are equal in area and yet they may not be congruent. Okay, if two triangles be the congruent, then we can say that their area also will be equal. But in the reverse, if the two triangles the same area may not be the congruent. Okay. For example, if you consider two triangles with dimension 4 semi by 3 semi and 6 semi by 2 semi. If we consider two triangles with dimension 4 semi by 3 semi and 6 semi by 2 semi respectively, then they are equal in area, but clearly they are not congruent. Clear? So we remember, next day we will take the exercise question. So today your duty is that you have to be read the topics that I have discussed today carefully and try to remember the four criteria. SSS property means SSS means side side side. Then S A S, then number 2 is that first one is SSS, second one is ASA, means angle side angle angle side angle, and third one is SAS, means side angle side, and fourth one is RHS. So we memorize this property carefully. Thank you. Have a nice day.